Okay guys, in this video we are learning how to delete all of your call history from your call list. Okay, just open your dialer application or phone application, this one. Then tap on three buttons, right corner, this one. Then select delete. Then you can see the button is here, all. Just tap on that all button. Then select delete, and after give the confirmation like this. I'm not deleting all of them because of I need some important calls history. So I am doing this method is same. So I'm doing individual contact delete, sorry, call history delete. Then select delete to delete. Okay, this way you can select all contacts and delete the whole history from your call list. That's it guys, very simple tutorial. Okay, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as video so you can easily watch that. Okay guys, if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.